Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using arrays in Java. So as part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program to copy the elements of an array to a brand new array. Let me give you the instructions so that you can write the Java program to copy the elements of an array to a brand new array. So first instruction here is you need to first create a single dimensional array and initialize the elements of that single dimensional array. Either you can use a shortcut representation way or normal way where you have to first create an existing array initialized with some elements. That's the first thing. After you have done that, now you have to copy all the elements of this existing single dimensional array to a brand new array. Using some programming logic, you have to do this, guys. Okay, you need to write some logic, programming logic, using which you have to copy the elements of an existing single dimensional array to a brand new array. So now you can pause this video and write the Java program to solve this assignment as part of this program. Fine. Now, hoping that you guys have written this Java program to copy the elements of an array to a brand new array. Now you can resume this video so that you can see the solution given by me so that you can compare your Java program with mine. If you both are on the same page, you are good to go. So let me demonstrate or give you the solution for this assignment as part of writing this Java program. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as let's say demo, some random name, demo J I'll give. With main method I'll create. And inside this main method, I'm going to create an array, guys. I'm going to create an array. I'll take you can take any type of array, guys. In this example, I'm taking a simple one that is integer array is equal to. And here, I'm going not only going to create the array, but also I'm going to initialize elements of this array using some way that is shortcut representation. So 9, comma 3, comma 1, comma 7, comma 5, 2, 6, 8. Like this, some elements have initialized for this particular array. Now there is an existing single dimensional array which is initialized with some data, right? With some elements. Now I need to simply copy the elements of this existing array into a brand new array. Using some logic, you have to do that. How? That can be done. So let me create another array, integer array, br. Let's say another array name is br is equal to new integer array. And here I need to give the size of the array. Okay, for the new array, I need to give the size. Since my intention is to copy the elements of this array to the brand new array, the size of the existing array should be same as the size of the brand new array, or the size of the brand new array should be same as the size of the existing array, because I'm going to simply copy the elements of this array to a new brand new array, okay, to the brand new array. So what is the size of this array, which is same as the size of the existing array? So ar dot length, I'll say ar dot length. Now I can write either, uh, so I'll be now creating a traditional for loop. Okay, the best way is that I can create a traditional for loop, guys. Okay, so I'll simply write down int I is equal to 0. Okay, I is equal to 0. I less than br dot length I plus plus. Like this, I'll write. Now here I'm going to write br of I is equal to br of I is equal to what I have to give is ar of I. That's it. Okay. br of I is equal to ar of I. I'll be iterating through all the elements of this array and simply give br of I is equal to ar of I. Okay. That's it. Now, so what will happen if I iterate this? After this, what will happen, guys? All the elements of this existing array will get copied to the brand new array br. Okay. All the elements which are there in the existing array AR will be copied to the BR using this traditional for loop. This using this particular logic. Now I would like to print the new array. Okay. I would like to print the new array to see if all the elements of an existing array got copied to the new array or not. For that, I'll simply write down system.out.println arrays dot to string of here I have to give the array name, the brand new array name I'm going to give here, that is br, so that all the elements of this brand new array should be printed. After copying all the elements of the existing array to the brand new array, and just printing the brand new array directly like this to see if it has really, are we using this program, were we able to copy the elements of an existing array to the brand new array. You see, when I printed this brand new array br, we got 93175268, 93175268. You see, all the elements of an existing array got copied to the brand new array. This is the logic we have written, guys. This part is nothing but the Java programming logic that we have that we have written for copying the elements of an existing array to a brand new array. Okay, where we have created the new array with the size of an existing array. This is one step we have done. After that, we have taken the help of a traditional for loop, and using this logic, we have copied the elements of the existing array to the brand new array. Okay, br of 0 is equal to ar of 0. That means in br of 0 having the same size of ar of 0, we are storing the first element at the index 0. Okay, the first element of the AR is being copied to the first element of the BR. Okay, as a first element of the BR. And as part of the iterations, the second element of the AR is getting copied to the second element of BR because same indexes, right? Same indexes we are doing. This is the logic we have to write, guys. And finally, after the logic is done, I'm simply printing the brand new array to see if the elements of the existing array got copied to the brand new array or not. It happened, okay, as we thought. So that's all for this session, guys. So hope guys you got the solution for this assignment, that is how to write the Java program to copy the elements of an existing array to a brand new array by using some programming logic. How to do this I have covered in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.